Hello, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make seafood pad phong curry or stir fry seafood with curry powder. But the ingredient we use look like quite many, but all this one we have in our kitchen. Basically, like okay, start from the sauce first, right? Okay, this one oyster sauce, light soy sauce. Ui, it dropped. Evaporated milk.
You have that effect on everyone, eh?
Yeah.
Come out.
Difficult to pronounce. Sorry if you don't understand.
But not
Look.
difficult to spill.
And tamarind chili paste. Also, we have in the previous video before, right? And the curry powder, sugar, crushed onion. No, crushed garlic. Green pepper, red pepper sliced, white onion sliced. We use 2 eggs, and we use mussel. We use the squid. We use prawn. You can use crab if you like, or you can use fish. And this one, the last one, this one we just sliced for the.
This way.
And this one we use the Chinese celery, or you can use the English celery, right? Spring onion, sweet chilli, coriander, and just slice very thin a few pieces of red pepper, green pepper, onion. Yeah, that's it. And then you can see how we make this one only a few minutes. No, not a few minutes, less than 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, should we start now? Okay, first we beat the egg. Okay, we use 2 eggs. Right. This. Okay, put oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce. Two tablespoons of evaporated milk. Okay. And we beat together, we mix together until all the ingredients mix well. And we put 2 tablespoons of tamarind chili paste. And 1 tablespoon of curry powder. The bowl quite small. Oh, it's nice. Oh, my helper is quite clever, but still not clever enough. Okay, a little bit more of the oil from the tamarind paste, tamarind chili paste. All right.
Just the oil, yeah?
Yeah, just the oil. Yeah, easy to beat. Okay, now it's well mixed, right? Then we start to do the cooking because all the taste already in here. If not enough taste, you can add later. Yeah, we start put the cooking oil in the wok. Okay. But the heat just medium, not high. Okay, we use the garlic. First, we put the garlic. Fry until the color just turn to yellow, just a little bit of yellow. Then you put all this one and the seafood. Add a little bit of water. We fry until all this the mixture well cooked. This one, all the seafood have cooked. Then you put all this, the mixture, the one we have prepared. And a half teaspoon of sugar. Don't forget the low gas. And then after you put, this one become more sticky. And now everything will cook. And then the last one, yeah, we just throw it together in here. Just turn 2 round. Yeah, that's it. Less than 5 minutes. Okay, we're ready to serve. And then okay, then just on top we put a little bit of oil from the tamarind chili paste. Okay, that's it. Apa?
Right, so we're gonna try this seafood papongali, and we actually did this one with crab previously, a really old video. You can check that out up here. And yeah, in case you need the recipe for the damping pao, the tamarind chili paste, I'll put this up here as well. All right, so let's try this. It's one of my favorite dishes. Let's just try the sauces. Oh yeah. The good thing about this dish, it doesn't need to be crazy spicy. So you might find this is more of a mid-level dish. And even though it's bursting with flavor, you know, it's actually a really easy dish to cook. Takes a little bit of time to get all the ingredients ready. But it's just so tasty. And we actually had this dish again in Thailand. I don't see this dish that often in Thailand. But when we went to Pisanulok, we had it there to pair up. So if you want to give that a go, let us know how you get on. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for all your support. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.